If you're 16 to 25, stop scrolling. What if I told you the most dangerous thing you can do right now is play it safe? You think you have time. You think you'll figure it out later. But by the time later comes, someone else will already be living the life you dreamed of. Why do 99% waste this golden decade? This is the harsh truth no one tells you. And if you miss it, you might never catch up. Why this age is your golden window. You're young. Your brain is sharp. You learn fast. What takes a 35-year-old 6 months to learn, you might pick up in 6 weeks. Not because you're better, but because your energy is different. You're not stuck in patterns. You're not tied down by kids, loans, or a job you hate. You got freedom, and that freedom is more valuable than money. Most millionaires didn't start when they had life figured out. They started when they had time, hunger, and nothing to lose. Jeff Bezos was working in finance, then left to sell books online. Elon Musk, he built his first companies before 30. They took risks when it didn't seem smart, but that risk bought them freedom. You're not supposed to play it safe right now. You're supposed to make mistakes. You're supposed to explore, learn, pivot, and grow. Because if not now, then when? The harsh truth. Let me be real with you. If you don't build now, you'll build regret later. You think you'll start when the right time comes? There is no right time. There's just too late. Our school system didn't train you to lead. It trained you to obey, to follow rules, to play it safe, to trade your dreams for a paycheck. But the internet doesn't care about your degree. It cares about your value. If you can edit videos, write copy, build a brand, grow a page, you win. Because in 2025, skills are the new degree. Every year you delay your dreams, someone younger, hungrier, and more focused is moving ahead of you. Stop blaming your school. Stop blaming your city. Start betting on yourself. What you can do. 1. Start freelancing. Pick just one skill. Video editing, graphic design, writing, marketing. Learn it in 30 days. Offer it on Fiverr, Upwork, Twitter. Your first $100 is closer than you think. 2. Start an agency. Got results for one client? Package it. Turn your skill into a service. Build a small team. Reach out to 100 more clients. Use AI to automate. Use cold emails, DMs, Loom videos. Business is just consistency plus service. 3. Start content creation. Document your journey. Don't fake perfection. Show your progress. People follow authenticity. Your 10th video will be better than your first. But if you don't post the first, you'll never reach the 10th. Start a SaaS or product. Use ChatGPT, use Bubble, use Framer, or hire a developer. Build something that solves a real problem. Even a small tool that makes $10 a day is proof you're on the right track. Don't wait to be great. Start small. Stay consistent. The world rewards builders. This is your decade. This is your time. What you do between 16 and 25 can buy freedom for the next 50 years. While others scroll for pleasure, scroll for purpose. While others chase comfort, chase growth, chase freedom. Take the risk now. Your future self will thank you. This isn't motivation, it's a reminder. Your life is your responsibility. Comment, I'll take the risk if you're ready. Like this video if it woke you up. And follow for more bold truths. Because we're here to build empires, not excuses.